What if I told you there's a YouTube with less rules, more money, but way less viewers? This is Rumble versus YouTube, and one of them might secretly kill your channel. You already know YouTube, 2.5 billion users. It's the king. But then there's Rumble, smaller, louder, and growing fast with millions of users. Let's say you're a creator. On YouTube, you get massive reach but strict rules. One wrong move, boom, demonetized. On Rumble, it's the opposite. More freedom, less censorship, and even slightly better payouts, around 60% versus YouTube's 55% ad revenue. But here's the catch. YouTube gives you audience. Rumble gives you freedom, but not traffic. Users say Rumble struggles with discovery and content reach. No discovery system. Content is basically invisible. And some viewers complain about bugs, buffering, and ads. So, is Rumble a scam? No, it's a legit company, but it's not YouTube. It's more like a niche alternative with trade-offs. If you want reach, YouTube wins. If you want freedom, Rumble wins. But the smartest creators, they don't choose. They use both.